High. Hit. Prep the trigger. You're way high. Way high. Way high.
Wait, so you have to shoot these?
Hit.
Over your ears.
Hit.
In the middle section where you
Hit.
sweep all the targets you hit.
That's high. Hit. Hit. Move.
Final position. That's going. Did I shoot?
Two on the right.
There. Far right. Just one. E1.
High.
E5 from A and C.
High.
Oh, so A and C. Yeah.
High.
Hit those two targets, and then
You're hitting high every time. Come on down 6 inches.
so right.
Hitting just to the right.
You hit the post.
You hit the post, your foot over. Put the mag well against the wood. All the way up. Keep going. Put your arm way out. Cantilever it. Steady up. Prep the trigger. Hit the small disc. Just to the left.
Yeah. From over there.
Move on. Go to the other target. To the right.
Yeah, move on.
Big target on the right.
And then
Got ammo.
Up.
Here.
Change mags.
Drop the mag. Slam it in. Make sure it's in. Close the bolt. Right target. Hit it.
The next target.
No, that's just
The big right target. Hit it. Fuck that little one. Go. Move.
Go. Watch muzzle.
Two on the left. Give them hell. Hit. High, right. Just to the right. Prep the trigger. What's par?
180.
Hit!
Nice.
You're done.
Stand by.
no way. Euros.
Hit
Still.
17. When we were over there, we were downtown Athens, right? We got there, there was like the old sandwich shop.
Alright. Stand by. One to your left. Two in the back. Drive to the window and shoot full. Stand by. Good job. Hit the box, hit the box.
Stand by.
I was going to say sure shot, but not so sure.